You know, people talk about blowing your own trumpet. I make them. I'm Jennie Rayment, by the way, and what we're going to be looking at today is something I have called trumpets. Now, why did I call them trumpets? The reason being is they do look a little bit like that sort of trumpety thing you see on Christmas cards. So having stitched all the way down, what I would like you to do is to open the shape, and there he is in the middle. You can see it's going to lift up, opened out, and form that rather interesting kite appearance. And you'll end up with a block that could look a little bit like this one. And if you didn't fancy doing it in pink and green, because not everybody likes pink and green, you could consider doing it in shades of purple. So here we have it in shades of purple. And you might notice that I've done a subtly different thing with the tucks. It's all in creative tucks and textures for quilts and embroidery, that terrible mouthful of a book.